Mañana. Mañana. What are you gonna do tomorrow? Essentially, we're talking about tomorrow because mañana, mañana means tomorrow. Remember the ñ sound, ña, ña, mañana. Okay? So it's an easy sound, but you need to practice a little bit to get it right. Mañana, tomorrow. For example, I can say, mañana empezaré a hacer ejercicio. Mañana empezaré a hacer ejercicio. What does this mean? This means I'll start exercising tomorrow. Something that a lot of people say and they end up not doing it. Exercising, it's important. But if you're talking about, what you're going to do tomorrow, you can use the word mañana. Mañana. You can place it at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. You can say, mañana empezaré a hacer ejercicio, or empezaré a hacer ejercicio mañana. Both ways are commonly used in Spanish, so it's very flexible, and I like that. I like that very much. Okay, mañana, you know what that means. Tomorrow, of course. Empezaré, this is future tense, and we're talking about the verb empezar. This is the verb empezar. By the way, today I think I released a lesson about this verb, so check that out because I talk about how to use it and what it means. Essentially, it means start, begin. Okay, so this is future tense. Essentially, you're saying yo empezaré, so that means I'll start. Okay, yo empezaré. You don't need yo, you can just say empezaré. Okay, and this phrase, by the way, I mean this one here, hacer ejercicio, means to exercise. It's very funny because hacer in Spanish means to do or to make. And well, ejercicio means exercise, to do exercise or to make exercise. That's the literal translation. But when you use the phrase hacer ejercicio, is very similar to saying to exercise, or in this case, exercising. Okay? In this case, because in English, I'll start exercising. Right? You don't say I'll start exercise. Well, you can say I'll start to exercise. So yeah, it makes sense as well. But hacer ejercicio means to exercise. Now, a works really well with this verb, empezar a. Okay? When you are going to begin or start to do something. Okay? So if you want to add more to the verb empezar a, hacer ejercicio, you need the letter A. Okay? Empezar a hacer ejercicio, empezar a comer, empezar a caminar, empezar a estudiar. So a, don't forget about the letter A after empezar because it's commonly used in Spanish when using empezar. Okay? Empezar a. Excellent. Now, the next example, guys, is, oops, didn't want to do that. Nosotros nos vemos mañana. Nosotros nos vemos mañana. You know what mañana means? You know that, right? Oops. You know that. Mañana means tomorrow. Nos vemos is a very common phrase in Spanish. You can use it by itself when you're saying goodbye. Okay, so it's very similar to saying I'll see you. Okay, So if you say nos vemos mañana, that means I'll see you tomorrow or see you tomorrow. Nos vemos literally means, well, it's it's similar to I'll see you, okay? Or we'll see each other. In this case, tomorrow. Mañana. Mañana. Nos vemos mañana. See you tomorrow. So you can say this just so you can say it when you want to say goodbye to someone. Instead of using adios all the time. Adios means bye. You can just say nos vemos mañana. I'll see you tomorrow. So this is a very good one, a very good phrase. Excellent. So now you know that mañana means tomorrow. It's a very basic Spanish word. And if you talk about the future, you can use this word for sure. Mañana. Mañana.